Hello there, it's Alan McGillivray from Alan McGillivray Real Estate Surfers Paradise. Well, there's everything happening here on the Gold Coast. The weather's magnificent. It's been very hot for the last 2 weeks, and people are enjoying the hot weather and doing what they can to keep cool. Anyway, there's preparations going on all over the coast for the Commonwealth Games, which start in early April, so all that's happening too. So everyone's getting geared up for the Commonwealth Games, and we're all hoping that it'll be a great success. As far as real estate is concerned, well, the market is still very good here on the Gold Coast compared to interstate, Sydney and Melbourne. We are certainly a lot cheaper than those states. It's a great opportunity to come up here, live in this lifestyle, buy a property, and still have some money over if you sell your property from Sydney or Melbourne. Anyway, that's what's happening here on the Gold Coast. Don't forget now, if you're on the Gold Coast and you come up here, make sure you come in and say hello. We'd certainly love to see you.